Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat microphone not working problem. It's very simple. So if you appreciate it, make sure you give this video a like. Also subscribe if you're new and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. Here's what you gotta do. You wanna click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you wanna click on the settings at the top right corner. And you want to scroll down on Snapchat until you find manage. You click on manage and here you have permissions. You want to click on permissions and here is your microphone option, but maybe chances are you can't update it. So the first thing you can do is go on the App Store and type in Snapchat, and you want to make sure that Snapchat is up to date for you. If you have an update option, make sure you update it. If it's updated, here's a fix that worked for me. You want to go on your settings, go down below until you find Snapchat, and you want to make sure microphone is turned on. It's green here. It's basically the permission from your phone. If this video helped you out, give it a like. See you in the next one.